start with some given data. We have a motor with a power of 10 HP, a voltage of 415 volts AC, a power factor of 0.85, and an efficiency of 90%. Our first step is to convert horsepower to watts. Since 1 horsepower equals 746 watts, for our motor, 10 horsepower is equivalent to 460 watts. Next, we'll calculate the current using the formula, P divided by the square root of 3 times voltage times power factor times efficiency. Putting our values into this equation, we get 460 divided by the square root of 3 times 415 volts times 0. 85 power factor times 0.9 efficiency. This calculation gives us a current of 57 amperes. For a safety margin, we'll add a factor of safety of 25%. So we take our 57 amps and add 25% to it, resulting in approximately 16.96 amperes. And that's how you determine the current for this motor setup.